hi, hello. Dairy Farm Malaysia. Apa khabar semua? Good evening to each and every one of you. Salam hormat dari saya. Waalaikum. 各位来宾你好。Right, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to each and every one of you. My name is David Lau. I'm your MC for tonight. Pengacara untuk anda malam ini. Boleh beri tepukan terima kasih. Sayalah David Lau. Suatu ketika dahulu suara saya pernah berkumandang di Radio Era. Pernah dengar tak? Masa itu kecil lagi. Era rentak muzik terkini, Sinar FM dan juga 2 tahun stesen Pulau Pinang, Bima FM, lagu manapun untuk anda. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there are a couple of names I would like to announce. When I mention their names, please give them a big round of applause. Can we do that? Boleh tak? A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Mr. Mark, the Operations Director. Good evening, sir. Where are you? I can see you. You're somewhere around. Everybody. All of you are special for tonight. Wow, so far. Not forgetting, beri tepukan kepada Miss Gita, the Finance Director. Miss Gita, where are you? Lama-lama sikit, Miss Gita. Mana? Hello. Jauh duduknya. Tepukan kepada David Chiam, Legal Director. Hi Dave. David Chiam. Stage is David Lau. Not forgetting, ladies and gentlemen, we have Terry Canavan, the Commercial Director. Where's Terry? All the way from France. Bonjour. And also all the way from the Philippines, we have Popoy, the Marketing Director. Oh, so famous. Which one is Popoy? Oh, did you raise your sword and miss that? Don't do that, we need you the whole night. Oh boy, nama manja dia, from the Philippines. Wow, when you mention the Philippines, now it's happening, it's a SEA game. Congratulations to the Philippines. And Philippines, for the medal tally, they're number 1 now. Wow. Just a bit of info. Number 2, Vietnam. Number 3, Malaysia. Welcome everybody, Dairy Farm Malaysia. This is your night, traditional night, the year-end gathering. Everybody, give yourself a big round of applause. Come on, compose, okay. Jangan malu-malu. Nice. Malam ni kita ada 3 persembahan mantap. We have 3 in-house performance. The Dairy Farm Malaysia Idol performing live on stage. Each group will be given 5 minutes. And not forgetting, we have best dress, parade, okay, and also a couple of award presentations. Malam ni, saya nak semua orang enjoy. Boleh tak? Boleh tak? Suara macam 8 orang saja. Okay, this side. When I say Dairy Farm Malaysia, you say boleh ya? Dairy Farm Malaysia? This side, Dairy Farm Malaysia? Saya akan berdiri lebih dekat sini sebab sini kuat. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to call upon Mr. Mark, Operation Director, to come on stage and to say a few words to all of us. Everybody, give it up, Mr. Mark.